By the end of this video, you will know how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Start from your current Shopify admin while you are already signed in to your existing account. This process begins from the store you are using now, so make sure you are in the correct Shopify admin before you continue. Near the top of the Shopify admin, click your store name. This opens the store switcher, which is where you can move between stores connected to the same login and also start a new one. When the switcher opens, look for the option labeled Create Store, then click it to begin. Shopify will take you into the setup flow for an additional store. Follow the prompts on screen as they appear. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account, but the goal is the same. You are creating another Shopify store under the login you are already using. As Shopify asks for information, enter the requested details for the new store. One of the key fields in the setup is the store name. Type a store name that clearly identifies this new Shopify store so it is easy to recognize later in your store list. This matters when you start switching between stores, especially if you plan to manage more than one brand, catalog, or region. Continue through the remaining setup screens and fill in the store details Shopify asks for. Move through each page in order and review the information before going on. If Shopify pauses briefly while loading the next screen, wait for it to finish and then continue with the next prompt. At the point where Shopify asks you to choose a plan, select the Shopify plan you want to use for this new store. Make sure you pick the plan intended for this additional store before moving ahead, since this choice is part of the setup process. After that, complete the setup to create the new Shopify store under your existing Shopify login. Once Shopify finishes creating the store, you can confirm that it was added correctly. Open the store switcher again by clicking your store name near the top of the admin. In the list of stores, check that both your original store and the new store appear. This is the confirmation that the additional store has been created under the same account. From here, whenever you need to move between stores, open the store switcher and select the one you want to manage. Choosing a store from that list takes you into the correct Shopify admin for that store, so you can work on each one separately while staying under the same login. Thanks for watching. Your original Shopify store and your newly created Shopify store now both appear under the same Shopify account.